Mickey bus, look.
The what?
Mickey bus. I do like this bit of Disney Springs. That's the lady who made bright clothes out of things because she used to mess up her apron, didn't she? Because Tim Tracker said. Do you want to go in? Cozy. Oh, me too. Oh, I like that tree with the pom-poms on it. Oh my gosh. How much is that?
$6.
That's the same as the ones in Walmart. I like all the knitted Christmas decorations. That Christmas tree's a bit different.
It looks nicely full.
Oh, that looks like the mac and cheese one.
The what?
Mac and cheese one. I don't think they're open yet.
No, we can have a look round.
Oh, that's where you get the Mickey popcorn bucket from. I've been seeing those around.
Yeah. Sweet, aren't they?
Yeah, but you have to pull his head off to eat out of it.
Yeah. A bit thick, really.
There's the cookie dough one.
I think it's like the one that Anna will keep.
Yes. Ooh, that all sounds very nice. Have you seen how the tacos are served? And they've got a mac and cheese one. Oh, lobster and shrimp. That looks delicious. This one's the one that I definitely wanted to try. It looks so good. You can get a cup of cookie dough as a snack credit.
I didn't say you couldn't.
You did. Oh gosh, that all sounds so... Oh yeah. Is that there?
Yeah.
Cold brew cookie dough sundae.
Oh.
That all sounds so good. What time do they open? Oh wow. I wonder if they have the marine one in there. Well, they've got some Crocs.
Got some different bits in it.
Yes. Oh, I love that. It is very colourful.
And even like, I've been checking. Like,
You've been checking wait times?
It's so cute. I do like the Little Mermaid ears. They've got little shells. This decoration's so sweet. Right, pick that mug up. Do you think that'll be heavy?
No,
It's so heavy, isn't it?
I'm such a belle.
Oh, look at these onesies. It's short sleeved. I don't know how I feel about that. Are these meant to be intended to wear around the park or? Ugly sweater. It's got a fire truck on.
Love it, bag.
I don't, because it's velvet. Get it away from me.
What the Christmas ones, yeah.
Got ugly sweater jumpers, look. And yes, I did just trip over. Oh, I like that. That's very like, is it 80s workout gear?
Yeah.
Oh, I
Sweatband.
that one is sweet.
It's reversible.
How do you wear it?
Like a backpack.
Oh. I've not seen any of these around the parks.
No.
I do like that one, the Sully one.
I like Doug.
He's sweet, isn't he? He's very sweet. Abs of steel. You can get a cookie num num pin. Say again.
So a combo.
Yep.
So any of these sandwiches, or 3 tenders, fries and a drink counts
Okay.
as a quick service.
Oh, cool. What sides are there, Dan? Are they all these sides here? Yep, fried pickle chips.
So I suppose they count as a snack credit, do they?
What?
The fried pickles.
No, it's a side.
No, combo. Any sandwiches, 3 tenders, fries and a drink.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, but we can still get some pickle chips.
No, I'm just being greedy. Are you going to get a sandwich?
I might do actually.
That one sounds really nice. Bourbon brown sugar barbecue. I heard it say. The queue now. The queue for it. Thank you. What if it's not nice?
Then I shall.
So we just chosen to come and sit outside just because it's not too hot today. And we've got a lovely little seating area. We've just got our refillable drinks. We got half lemonade, half iced tea. And we're just waiting for our food to come now. So our food's just come out and we got 2 combos which comes on the dining plan. And this involves 2 fries and then we got the fried pickles with buttermilk ranch as a side, which was a snack credit. And then we got the sandwiches. Mum got the Southwestern, which is this one, and then I got the barbecue chicken sugar thing. This looks delicious. There's so much food here. Number 10. Oh, so we'll be. Oh wow! Look at that Cinderella bus.
Oh wow.
It's Minging Day, isn't it?
Yeah, we've had worse.
True.
Remember the day when we left last time?
Chocolate. So we've just arrived at the boardwalk from Disney Springs. So it was easier to come here and then walk over to Epcot because they don't do buses from Disney Springs. And we've just come to see the Christmas decorations. They've got their own gingerbread house.
Oh, they've got boardwalk bakery.
Oh wow! I love that Christmas tree. Look, it's got like boardwalk things on and popcorn. Gingerbread. Work directly with our pastry chef to decorate your very own gingerbread house. Ooh. introducing gingerbread martini, Mum. Oh my goodness. It's got the flying fish. Oh, I can see a Mickey there. There's also one on this brick here. There's one just there. Oh, it literally is the boardwalk. They've got the bakery. Oh, it's got the wedding pavilion. I went to the country on the lawn. We would have had a perfect view of that, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Were we up there?
Yeah. That was amazing.
It was.
I've just seen some of the hotel Orlando friends, they got upgraded and they've checked into Polynesia and they spent 3 nights in one of the bungalows.
Really?
That's it.
Yeah, because our room was that one that was like decorated, wasn't it?
Yes, I think so.
That's so cool. Rainy boardwalk, isn't it? Isn't that like the boardwalk quick service?
No, that's the fucking to go.
Oh.
Boardwalk making service.